To buy an iPhone with Affirm, start by visiting the Apple website or visiting an Apple store. Once you have selected the iPhone model you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout page. When prompted to choose a payment method, select Affirm as your payment option. You will be redirected to the Affirm website where you will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also be required to create an account with Affirm if you do not already have one. Once you have created an account, Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. This will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you will be presented with a range of payment options, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. Carefully review the terms of the loan before accepting the offer. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan, including the interest rate and any fees. If you are satisfied with the terms, accept the offer and confirm your loan. You will then be redirected back to the Apple website to complete your purchase. Your iPhone will be shipped to you once your payment has been processed. It is essential to make your monthly payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. You can make payments online or through the Affirm mobile app. Before buying an iPhone with Affirm, consider your budget and make sure you can afford the monthly payments. It is also crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of the loan before accepting the offer. By following these steps and being mindful of your financial situation, you can successfully buy an iPhone with Affirm and enjoy the convenience of monthly payments.